Hey guys, this is a review for the Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard. I've been using this keyboard for a while and I honestly love the customizable backlighting. The varying colors and intensity make it easy to adjust the brightness to suit my mood. The keyboard is lightweight and the keys don't feel clacky, though they are now somewhat clicky. If you're sensitive to sound, this might be an issue, but otherwise it's not too bothersome. The compact size is a plus for portability. I can easily throw it in my backpack, especially since my work keyboards tend to get wet and become unusable. I appreciate that this keyboard offers some degree of water resistance, a feature I wish more electronics had. However, I don't like that I've lost the instructions and I'm having trouble with several keys not working. Despite these issues, I honestly love how the keyboard feels and looks when it's working properly. The need to use the FN key for many functions is expected with a 60% keyboard, and while it's a bit of a learning curve, it's manageable. Recommend.